Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kings TV 101. Please, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell icon. I want to show you guys my Sportybet account again. This is my Sportybet account and this is the game that these guys dropped the last time on the group, the VIP group, and you can see how these games are going. You can see I'm scrolling slowly. You can see how the game is going. You see this one that is under 94.5, it's entered, and you can see under 80 something and it's entered. All their games are just going well, and sometimes I wonder why some people find it difficult to pay 5k to join this particular group. And even some of the people I introduced to the group recently, some of them will be in the group and they will drop game, they will not play, thinking it will not enter. And when it enters like this, they'll be telling the guy to do giveaway. You know, are you just for real? You shouldn't be in the group begging for giveaway. When the guy dropped game, you are supposed to play the game and you did not play, and he played and won. Just as you can see, this is live video. This is my Sportybet account and I won the game. So I don't know, paying 5k is not the problem. I also paid 5k to join the group. So guys, this game, their game is real. It is fucking real. And the best thing I promise to be doing for my subscribers who come across my video is when you ask for their contact, I will give you their contact. You negotiate with them, you join their VIP group where they drop these games. And when they drop the game, you play and you win. You are not settling anybody. You are not even settling me. I'm just doing it for God. You understand? So what I do is, if you need their contacts, people who has been giving me games that have been posting on this channel, if you need their contacts, I will give you their contacts. You play their game, you win. You don't settle me, you don't settle them. They don't take any other settlements, just the 5k to join the group. That's what they take, and that's what I also paid. So guys, this is how it works, and it's as good as that.